Hi Rodney, just giving you a little update here. You'd already seen your bike partially gutted, now it's really gutted. Anyway, the bars that were on your bike, I don't think that originally, I don't think they actually ran through the bars. I think this is something that somebody's done. This hole you don't see it quite as much, but you can actually see that that's actually, I would say that somebody's drilled that out on either side, and then nice and neatly they sort of use maybe a little drum sander or something like that, and they smooth the edges all down. But for sure you can see down here this was all homemade. So that's been drilled out, and then they just ground it all down so that they could actually run the wires through the bars. The new bars that you have, you can see how they're nicely finished with nice big holes, and they look how they're supposed to look, which is nice and smooth and stock. The other thing that I found was that this is your one of your harnesses. This would be your left-hand controls. These have been cut and spliced. This one's been cut and spliced here. It's been cut and spliced here. This one on this side has been cut and spliced there, and I have a feeling underneath all this electrical tape as well, there's shrink wrap, old shrink wrap, big chunks of it that I've cut off. There was a piece of this old wire loom that was stuck in there, sort of holding on to everything. I know that's not Harley Davidson regulation. Anyway, I don't know if you want me to try to get rid of some of this stuff so that it's a little better shape, or if you just want me to try and make it work the way it is. I'm just a little concerned that there's there might be some spots here where you may have trouble after a while, where the wires are all been spliced and cut so many times, right? It almost looks like to me like you would want to at least eliminate one of these somewhere so that it was a little bit better shape. But anyway, let me know what you think about that, and we'll go from there.